Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again, I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm telling you about navigation stack. What is this navigation stack? Why we use in SwiftUI, and what is the use case for the navigation stack? Basically, what happens when we are transforming from one screen to another screen, then we require a navigation stack. After click, we have to just change the screen from one to another. Then this navigation stack comes into the picture. So how does it work? So let's understand that and implement with some demonstration and all. And here is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. I will keep updating the videos every week. I'm very much taking care for the routine for uploading the video for every week and with every new topic every time. And this video I'm making on the basis of demand of my user. Here you can see he comment before 2 days ago, and today I'm just making the video on the navigation stack. So you can also become a member of my channel, and you can request for your videos for you which is required for you, and I will cover up all the topics which is required by you. So you just mention into the comment box and keep engaging with my channel for the upcoming videos, for the upcoming updates into the iOS Swift UI development. Okay, so let's begin with the programming now. So here, so at the very first I will create one new project. So here multi-part, yes, click on next, then navigation stack. So we are including that, click on next and just create. So now at the very first I'm going to create a player list. Okay, so this is my player list. Here after doing that I have to take that as navigation stack. So over here, what is navigation stack? Now navigation stack, if you just click on navigation stack and click on the helper section, then here you can see a view that display a route view and enables you to present additional view over the route. Okay, so this is the summary of that, and here more description about the navigation stack. So in a very simple word, navigation stack we can use for making the route view. Okay, so now let's begin with the development and the further process. So I will remove this. Now next I will take list, and before that I will take just list. As of now I will use player in, I will pass the text. Okay, so here and here I will give player. That's it. As of now I have done very simple. So here you can see this error, so I have to make it away id, and over here I will make dot self. So once you done that, then this error will go away, and after that here you can see a list of the users, but still you are not able to understand why you have used the navigation stack. So for that I will do a very simple thing. I will set the navigation title. Okay, the navigation title I will set inside that. So navigation title, here I can say select players. Okay, so here you can see the title is coming at the top. Now you can make this stylable also. Navigation title display mode. So here we have the different mode, inline and large. Inline means it will display very small. Okay, and large means it will display like normal. But if you keep automatic, then it will automatically handle on the basis of screen. So here you can see when you scroll up, the navigation icon is coming at the top. So now I will just remove that. Here I have to open the this detail. So how I can do? So this video contain two topic. One about the navigation stack. Second, how you can open the navigation link on the basis of click. Okay. So now here I will take another view struct, and this view I will say player view, and here I will take body. So before that I have to extend the view. I will take body. So here you can show the name of the player. So let string, or I can say name and then string. Okay, so once I done that, then I can just display hey welcome. So here name, not like this. Okay, now we have done this. Now I have to open this from the from over here. So how we can do that? Now from here I will take navigation link. So we have multiple types of navigation link. I will take this one. Here I will pass a player means name of the player, and value will be also player because I need to bypass that. Now after that, if you click, then nothing will happen, but click event is working. Okay, now we have to redirect to another view. So for that, what I have to do, so over here dot navigation destination, for the value string dot self, because we are getting the string type, and here player view dot init. Okay, after doing that, just save and you will see the output over here. If you click on Richard, then Richard will come. If you click on Danny, then Danny will come, and if you click on Jamie, then Jamie will come. So like that you can implement navigation link and navigation stack. I hope now it is clear to you how you can utilize the navigation link and navigation stack. If you have any query, please feel free to connect me, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find a number of videos on the iOS development with the Swift or SwiftUI programming language. Stay connected. Have a wonderful time. Thank you so much. Have a great day.